Event and Video. Access and view all your recorded events and videos on mydlink. You can also download them to your device and share video clips to your favorite online service. Follow the steps to configure your event and video settings. Begin by launching the mydlink app. Access your mydlink app menu by tapping the menu button. Tap Event and Video in the menu. Select the date you want to view the events or video from. The events and videos will be listed from newest to oldest. Tap the video to watch it. To delete specific events and videos, tap the Edit button. Select the events or videos that you wish to remove. Tap Remove to delete them. Sorting through your recorded events and videos is easy with mydlink. Tap the filter icon. Select your filters by date, event type, device type, or by recordings. You can select multiple filters at once. Tap Checkout to apply the filters. The results are shown in a detailed timeline.